sun is really coming up now. This is so insane. I love myself for taking me here. Good morning. Okay, we're hiking this morning. I got here in great timing. I think I'm gonna see the sunrise. It says I should be arriving at 7:16, but I'm excited. The plan today is to have so much fun. I just parked and something tells me that I'm not facing the direction of the sunrise because it's already pretty getting bright outside. Let me show you the trail I'm doing today. I'm excited because there's supposed to be a couple of water crossings, like little creek crossings and fun stuff. A mountainous view, perhaps a waterfall if I'm lucky. This is what I'm doing. I'll put it in the caption as well, per the usual. That's the one. We're in the Pisgah National Forest again. I think I just love this place. The trail today is a little over 5 miles. Nothing too crazy. Nothing a beast can't handle. Time to put on my boots and get to stepping. I just need to text my dad and let him know that I arrived and then I'll be headed on my way. We'll be headed on our way because you're coming with me. I just started on my AllTrails, but I was thinking it was like storming from the noise. So pretty. On the road again. Oh dear heavens. Oh. I think this place, everybody should come here. Change my backpack out in case anybody noticed. My other one, the whatever, the water bottle holder was starting to break, so now this one has no water bottle holders. This is really pretty. I'm sorry. I need to pee. I can't really focus on anything. I'm trying not to talk too loud because I've seen a lot of people camping, and what if they're still sleeping? I don't know. I don't want to wake them up. I just love the moss. Like, this is my kind of trail. Water and mountains. Sign me up. The sun is really coming up now. I'm being stubborn and not putting on my jacket because I feel like I'm gonna get warmed up any second and then I'm gonna have to put it back in my backpack. It'll be a whole fiasco for no reason. I keep getting attacked by spider webs. Guess we crossed this entire creek. Oh, just to there, not that way. Parkour! Oh. Mission success. It's so fun here. It's like a bunch of obstacle courses. This is like the most peaceful thing. I'm hearing birds of all different kinds. I think I heard a woodpecker, and you can't really see it, but there's a whole, you can hear it though. There's like a whole waterfall action going on down there. Through the trees over there, you can see the sun is slowly starting to peek in. I feel tiny out here today. Yeah, because why is everything so big right now? These giant trees. Okay, more campsite areas. This one doesn't have any people, but what the heck. Be my friend, anybody that is so nice, so that I can go camping here because it's so pretty. I want to dip my feet in the creek. Getting off of the cat cap and headed to John Rock. Oh, I'm not even pointing at the sign. I love bridges. Now what did I tell you? I don't even need my jacket. I can take off my flannel. Things are getting steamy. It is actually getting hot really fast. The water sounds are getting louder. Yay. Oh. Oh. Mountains. Oh wow. It's so green. Everything is green. I love green. They made everything my favorite color just for me, whoever they is. I'm just ready to eat one of my apples. Look at this. This is the most beautiful thing. This is awesome. This is like seriously a fairy tunnel, this one. Look at that. The sun is up. Oh wow. I just love moss. It's coming through the tree. This is so cool. Can you live in a forest? Can you just live in a tent and not pay rent? Bars. Oh my gosh. Everything here is sparkling. You can't see it on the camera, but it's weird. I can see like air evaporating or water evaporating. I don't think I've ever seen that before, like live in stereo. I don't know what I was expecting. The like first mile and a half was relatively flat. So now the last bit to get to the top is like I'm walking vertically. But this is the fun part. If it was easy, it wouldn't be fun. True depth. I was trying to be like nonchalant and cool, but the camera got stuck in a tree branch. The flannel is off. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'd guess it's probably about 80 degrees. I'm gonna get tan. We're crossing another mini creek. I am sweating like nobody's business. I gotta keep walking. It says we have, it's never gonna focus. We have 2.7 miles to go. Average speed, 2 miles per hour. So you could say I'm pretty fast. When are we supposed to get to the waterfall? I'd guess like another mile or so. Because there's no water near where I am right now. Have any of you guys ever had the runner's itch? My legs are just unbelievably itchy. No matter how much you itch, it doesn't go away. It's giving me the craziest sensory issues because I'm also getting attacked by spider webs. My itchiness is starting to subside. And my will to live is here again. Whenever that is happening, I don't even know how to enjoy myself because I can't focus on anything other than the fact that my legs are itchy, my arms are itchy because I'm getting smacked by spider webs. My feet low-key hurt, but I'm okay now. Bum 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 bum. You can see the water evaporating. Isn't that so cool? I'm so happy the camera can capture it so I don't look like I'm making up shit. I can hear the waterfall. I don't really know what to expect. Is this thing gonna be like massive? We could be camping right there, but you playing. I just want to camp by a waterfall. Is that too much to ask? They're another bridge. I'm literally on a bridge in nature. That's me on a bridge in nature. Spooky. We are approaching the falls in like 0.2 miles. But what I do remember whenever I was researching this hike is we can only go to the lower falls because the upper falls was, I guess the route to get there was damaged during the hurricane, so it's not safe. I can hear so much water. Oh, it's actually kind of deep over here. I think we're getting so close. That water's rushing like nobody's business. Holy smoke! You can hear the water, see the mountains, and I'm surrounded by green stuff. It just feels like summer in the best ways possible. The air and everything even just smells so fresh. The morning dew, we literally watched it evaporate off of everything. Oh wait, did I miss where I'm supposed to go? I think this is where I'm supposed to be going, but a tree fell down. I wish I was a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller. I am a baller. Look, it literally looks like the Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but in real life. Look how tiny it is. Another tree, and this one's got spikes on it. This one's like expert level. You can hear it so loud. Oh my gosh, hold on. Gosh, this is better than I could have ever imagined. Just gotta climb through here. It smells amazing. Whoops. I think the fall was worth it. For the falls. Okay. This is like ultimate aura snacking spot right now. This is the setup. This is so insane though, like actually, and that nobody's here. I love myself for taking me here. That was so nice of me. I feel like I've got to get the full 360 of my snack spot of the day. It feels so cold and refreshing. I know I'm gonna be covered in dirt, but it's okay. This is my plans for the day. It's just time to get to Steppen. I have, what is it, maybe a mile back to the car? Not even, I don't think. And then I'll start my journey home, but this is so amazing. I'm moving in. My camera is dying. Okay. Come on, this is beautiful. I'm in a tunnel. Or a cave, maybe? Yeah, a cave. It looks like some people were camping down here. Let me get on out of here. Look how squishy. My camera died, so we're on my phone now. But literally, you're not missing anything. This last like half mile is just a fence right there. I think there's some construction happening. Back to civilization and almost back to my car. The trail kind of put me off on a road. So I think it's just because of all the construction going on.